attitude. Third thing, discipline. These are the pillars of success. Third thing is discipline. Do you have it, or are you developing it? It's like, listen, we're not talking about perfection here, guys. I'm not talking about perfection. I'm talking about, are you working on it? And then the fourth thing, of course, is standard. Your standard. What are you willing to accept, right? What are you willing to accept? It's who you are. It's what you do. I've talked about the difference in goal setting and image and standard, even in my weight loss this time, right? And I say this time because I've done this journey more than once, and for those of y'all who've known me a while, you know that. Before, it's been a goal. And a goal is we change our behavior long enough to hit. But then as soon as we hit it, we go back to our old image, our old standards, our old disciplines, right? We didn't change our identity. And so